Welcome back. In the last video we have successfully created our to-do entity class, and in this video we are going to move forward on the next task, that is develop to-do JPA repository class. So create another package, repositories, and in this repository package we have to create this to-do repository. So create to-do repository interface, to-do repository, and this to-do repository going to extend JPA repository. So this will by default provide us all the card operation with paging sorting feature, and our entity class is to do, type id type is integer. So this is our id type, and we can see our to do id type is int. So our all this repository class is ready now. Let us run the project. Okay, there is actually one error. Column id is duplicated in mapping for entity. Okay, so let's check in our entity class. Okay, yeah, this id is duplicated 2 times, so I have to provide here name. Column name is should be name, and rerun. Okay, this time it is successfully running on port 8080. So let us check. Yeah, so we can see our to-do API having default feature page sort and all, and if we will access to-dos endpoint, we can see all the to-dos here. Currently there is no data, so it is displaying empty array.